Love that name, Baron Hilton. That's a pretty name. I like the name Baron. Good God! We have fly swatters for that sort of thing.
You ever hear a cat in heat?
Oh God.
They literally just stand.
That's why I have a dog.
Yeah, they're trying to meow for any other cat coming by.
Yeah.
And they'll sit in your apartment and go, we'll look up as I'm like, meow! And it's just heart-wrenching.
Somebody please F my cat!
Someone fuck that! Somebody fuck that cat!
My friend, she was in an apartment and that was happening, and she opened her door and said, somebody please F that cat!
That's
Shut it
very
the hell
funny.
up. Go down and pick up the cat prostitute on the corner and bring it back.